Welcome. Changing sentence. Jashore, Board-2016. A. Corruption is one of the most evils. Positive answer. Very few evils are so bad as corruption. B. A corrupt man can do anything against morality. Complex answer. A corrupt man can do anything which is against morality. C. People hate a corrupt man. Passive answer. A corrupt man is hated by people. D. Nobody respect him. Interrogative answer. Does anybody respect him? E. The man who takes bribe is next to devil. Simple answer. The man taking bribe is next to devil. F. Though we have strict LSW, we are still affected by this evil. Compound answer. We have strict law but we are still affected by this evil. G. No other person is as hated as a corrupt man. Superlative answer. A corrupt man is the most hated person. H. We hope that Bangladesh will be free from this evil. Simple answer. We hope Bangladesh free from this evil. I. Everybody avoids a corrupt man. Negative answer. Nobody mixes a corrupt man. J. A corrupt man leads a very unhappy life. Exclamatory answer. What an unhappy life a corrupt man leads. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe please.